MageAnts Magento to Google Invisible Recaptcha extension. MageAnts Magento to Google Invisible Recaptcha extension allows admin to add Google Recaptcha to different pages of their e-store to identify and get rid of spam and bots from Magento store. This invisible Recaptcha not only helps in improving user experience but also the conversion rates. Key features of MageAnts Magento 2. Google Invisible Recaptcha extension. Invisible Recaptcha. Add Recaptcha to various forms. Backend invisible captchas. Ready-made templates. Support multi-language Recaptcha. Add captcha to any custom form on the front end. Ability to manage all Recaptcha settings in one place. Invisible Recaptcha work in multiple pages of Magento store. See MageAnts Magento to Google Invisible Recaptcha extension demo on https://www.mageants.com/google-invisible-recaptcha-for-magento-2.html. MageAnts Magento to Google Invisible Recaptcha extension. MageAnts Magento to Google Invisible